Hello everyone, welcome to my Georgia, Echoes of History. Today, we journey into the breathtaking mountains of the Caucasus, to a place where myth, nature, and ancient traditions live side by side. Kazbegi, nestled high in the northern Caucasus. Kazbegi, officially known today as Stepan's Minda, stands as one of Georgia's most iconic mountain destinations. With its dramatic cliffs, deep valleys, and the towering peak of Mount Kazbegi rising to over 5,000 meters, this region has inspired legends, poets, and explorers for centuries. Kazbegi lies along the historic Georgian military highway, close to the Russian border, making it not only a natural marvel but also an important cultural crossroads. The story of Kazbegi stretches back to ancient times. Archaeological traces show that people lived in these mountains thousands of years ago, relying on shepherding, hunting, and trade. In the medieval era, this region became an important part of Georgia's northern defense. Fortresses, lookout towers, and sacred monasteries were built to protect travelers and villagers from invaders. One of the most famous landmarks, Georgia Trinity Church, dates back to the 14th century. It was erected on a hilltop as a symbol of faith and resistance. During troubled periods of history, the church served as a safe haven for precious religious relics. Legend also surrounds the region. Local folklore claims that Prometheus, or Amirani in Georgian mythology, was chained to the cliffs of Mount Kazbegi for stealing fire from the gods. Kazbegi is a paradise for travelers. Here are the must-see places. 1. Georgia Trinity Church, perched dramatically at 2,170 meters above sea level. This church is the symbol of the region. The hike up offers sweeping views of valleys and the mighty Mount Kazbegi. 2. Mount Kazbegi, one of the tallest peaks in the Caucasus. Known as the Ice Queen, adventurers from around the world visit to climb it, although it requires experience and proper gear. 3. Dariali Gorge, stunning natural canyon that has been a strategic passage for centuries. The views are powerful, with steep cliffs and roaring rivers. 4. Gaveliti Waterfalls, short hike leads to these beautiful waterfalls, tucked between the mountains, peaceful, cool, and perfect for photography. 5. Trousseau Valley, famous for its mineral springs, abandoned villages, and colorful travertine formations. A hiker's dream. 6. Juta Village and chalky mountains, often called the Dolomites of Georgia. Juta is one of the highest villages accessible by car. Today, Kazbegi, or Stepan's Minda, is a small mountain town with an estimated population of around 1,500 to 2,000 residents, depending on seasonal workers and tourism. The entire Kazbegi municipality holds a few thousand more people, spread across scattered highland villages. Traditional life before, most locals lived as shepherds, farmers, and traders. Families relied heavily on livestock, especially sheep and cattle. Life was rugged, shaped by harsh winters and long distances between villages. Homes were built with stone, designed to withstand cold winds and heavy snow. Community was everything. Traditions, feasts, folk songs, and mountain hospitality formed the heart of daily life. Modern life now today, tourism has become the main source of income. Guest houses, eco-hotels, cafes, and tour companies provide new opportunities for young people. Roads and infrastructure have improved, though winters can still be challenging. Many families still keep livestock, but combine it with modern livelihoods. Internet and mobile access have connected this once isolated region to the world. Yet Kazbegi retains its old charm, slow living, deep respect for nature, and strong cultural identity. Kazbegi is more than a travel destination. It is a living museum of Georgian highland life. It is where legends meet landscapes, where ancient traditions breathe in modern times, and where every traveler feels the pull of the mountains. Whether you're exploring its valleys on foot, meeting warm local families, or standing in awe beneath the snow-covered peak of Mount Kazbegi, this region leaves an imprint on every soul that visits. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through Kazbegi, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more historical videos. See you in the next episode.